Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Wheelfin here, and we got the Maple Leaf 63 a little early, like close to like 12:30, like 12:32, something like that. There it goes, led by 90 once again. I also caught, and this is like the, yeah, it's like the soda, yeah, it is like the, fourth, it's like the fifth time I caught in this unit. Once on the Lakeshore Limited, actually a lot of times on the Lakeshore, but not in the lead. I caught it one time leading the Lakeshore Limited once, and then the other 5 times is on this Maple Leaf. So if you can check these videos out on that, so if you want to check any of those videos out on that unit besides this one, you can.